education right, free of cost, and health right.
All right.
That's it, sir.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
और हाथ मिला लीजिए कोई दिक्कत Alright. Has someone snatched your Article 21?
No, sir. No.
He is looking like,
No one can snatch my
you are looking like just, I have one song for you. कोई तकिए से पूछे हाल, हम उसे कितना भिगोते हैं. I want to marry with my buffalo. Can I marry? Wait, guys. I want to marry with my buffalo. Can I marry? Buffalo.
No.
Why?
Because
How can you say?
No, no,
One
no.
second. Guys, I am going to drink this water from my nose.
No, sir. No.
Yeah. Can't do anything. No, it is. One minute. Sir.
How can it be possible?
It is Article 21. No can disturb you. No can disturb you. It is Article 21. No can disturb you. Okay, don't disturb me, guys. Yes, it is Article 21. Don't disturb me. But.
And they Aravali is stopping them to expand.
Please make me know what you came to know.
Excuse me, sir.
We have. Do you think you have leadership quality? 100%. Cooperate with me now. First, one activity. Excuse me. Put all these stools there, that side. Hurry up. Hurry, help him. Put this chair there. Hurry up. No, it's okay. Oh, falling down. Okay, no. Okay, fine. Let it be here. Oh, okay. Hold it. Oh my God, guys. This thing, you noticed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You noticed it? Yes, sir. Hey, guys, let's put this chair that side. Okay, come, guys. Come. Guys, come. Guys, come. Wait. Guys, give me. Give me.
It is teamwork.
Give me. All right. Give me. Okay. Very nice. All right. Thank you. Okay. That's it. Arey, we don't have to fold. It's okay. We actually don't have to do it. What difference did you see?
Yes, sir. When you said that side make the side the chair, okay? At that time you were also doing. It is the quality of leader.
Yes. In first go, in the previous, I said, excuse me, take a side, and Dhananjay took and went there. And somebody was putting, I said, put this side. But later on, I just said, hey guys, let's put. This is the quality of leaders. When you order, you become boss. And a boss cannot become boss when he does like this. If you really want to get real sabasi, you have to have the quality of leadership. Means doing together. Now, today, we have a spontaneous thought building activities. And you have to have the quality, a leadership quality of building the people's thoughts up together. If I know, I must make people know. That is the quality of leader. I hope people must have told what I told.
Yes, sir.
Do you know
Yes,
what is going to happen?
Will be a going.
Will be.
There
This
will
is
be a
completely.
activity going on. The sir will give us a topic, and the person who knows very well about that topic, who must understand everyone. That
Must understand now. Articulation. It's not about speaking.
The person who knows very well about that topic, that person makes everyone understand about that topic.
Make me understand what you understand.
Sir, actually there will be a team, and you will give me a topic. So without doing me, can I make them everything in a second in a
No, no, no. I'm not getting articulation, guys. I'm not getting articulation. It means you are lacking the leadership quality. How will you make people know?
By making a team, if there is two person knows,
Excuse me. In our activity, mainly we have to focus in making people know. We have to focus on making people know what we know.
What we know, because
Understood? Yes, sir. For example, if I say, hey, Chandrayaan 3, maybe some people know, maybe some people don't know. If you know, then you need to go to those people who don't know and you have to make them know. That's the quality of building the thought. Will you do that? Yes, sir. Now, please make me know what you came to know.
Yeah, excuse me, sir. We have given one topic, and it can.
We
be,
have given. We will be given.
We will be right now. We have given, but oh my goodness, we will given one topic by Kev sir, and it can be anything like India and Lucknow. Whatever.
Lakali, chappal, juta,
Lafil juta, whatever we have we have in front of me and every person. So I know
If
very
I
well.
know-
If I know very well, and those people who don't know very well, I can make them understand very well easily.
Music. And you should carry this quality all the times. Do you know that? Yes, sir. 100%? Yes, sir. Okay. So the first word that I'm going to take right now, and if you know, you have to go to people to make them know.
yes, sir.
The first is actually marital rape. How many people know? Marital rape, marital rape, marital rape, marital rape. 2 people know?
yes, yes.
3 people.
These people go, make them know, make them know, make them know, make them know. You know now, make them know, make these people know, make these people know, make these people know. Actually, you also know, make them know. Huh? You both make them know. Hi everybody. So actually we have a spontaneous thought building activity. And here we are trying our best to become a leader as well in building the people's thoughts. We will be taking different topics. Those will make people know who know, who already know. And like this, we will be able to develop awareness, we will become aware, and we will build our thought. Thank you so much. Keep watching till the end.
Actually, marital rape is a silent rape. When two persons like husband and wife.
2 people.
Yes, two people. When husband and wife, usually husband should be consider their consent. Wife, when wife did not agree, don't agree to be intimate.
When a wife
and-
doesn't agree.
Yes, and that is called marital rape. Not only one side, but if a wife is forcing them and the female are not ready, that is also called marital rape. So that is simply marital rape. This is happen in always in family.
Other person, please. Yes. You can.
As he explained and as I explained to all the people what is marital rape. Marital rape is just the rape after marriage. And it is being done by husband. In which, in this case, there is no consent of wife and marital rape is being done by husband. Just like in the rape, there is no consent of girl. And in the marital rape, there is no consent of wife and it is being done by husband. That is the marital rape.
As you know that he said this is my captain and he said that marital rape.
Marital.
Marital rape is not just like a rape, but it is rape after the marriage. First of all, husband and wife. For example, wife is not ready to physical do activities, and he is forcing to her कि you do physical activities. So it is called a marital rape. And it is also happened कि wife is not ready and husband is not ready, it's also be rape. Yes.
Good. What do you understand?
Already three persons have explained about it, marital rape, but I know very well, I know a little bit, but I want to explain it about marital rape. It increasing day by day by after marrying two person, but it can be one husband in force them in wife before agree with her. So it is done by husband when he force her wife, and it can be happen by with her wife because her husband is not agree to do
Does not agree to
does
do
not
anything.
agree to do this type of things, but it is done by
Why don't you guys speak openly? This kind of thing, this kind of. Say that.
it is given by forcing.
When a husband, when a wife does not agree for the intimacy, right? Or we can say that for any sexual activities, for any sexual desire. If I don't want, maybe I have any physical issue, maybe I don't want to do that. But if my wife forces me to do, and she does, forcefully she does, that's marital rape. Understood?
Marital rape,
It can be done from both.
both sides.
Maybe she is not physically well, she is not mentally well, she is maybe having some issues, and a husband is forcing for completing his sexual desire. That's a marital rape. Understood or not? So you have to articulate it. Now who wants to articulate? You want to do it?
Yes sir, there are two type rape.
Two है तो type कैसे हो गए बताइए?
Types rape.
There are two types of rape.
One type before marriage and one type after marriage. After marriage rape like marital rape. Marital rape like if the person doesn't agree his wife.
Why are you making very complicated sentences?
Him wife.
Ease your language. Ease your language.
Yes.
You are making it very complicated.
Like he has any issues, any problems, any disease in her body.
After getting married, wife and husband, wife will not agree to do a sexual activity, but husband will forcefully to do activity.
That is called?
That is called my.
Very nice, sir. Good. Who is your captain?
Sir, any brother.
Fantastic. You are?
No, I'm no captain.
Of course, sir, I am also.
You did it. Fantastic. You explained very well. I really appreciate
Sir,
you.
I said another thing that it may be happen from the boys side, girl
Yeah,
side.
it can be
Both
from
side,
both.
it can be from
Exactly,
both
it can be. But mostly we get to see from boy side.
boys side. Because they are
Exactly.
strong, physically strong.
Everybody understood this? Can you tell? Give microphone. Tell.
After get married, husband and wife, husband is forced sexual harassment and wife is not sexual harassment.
Oh,
Ready.
she's not ready.
Yes, sir.
And forcefully husband is doing. That is called marital rape.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. But you could not. Why are they not able to explain? This is your fault.
It is my fault.
Yes.
You said, sir. Sir,
Because
I
they are
have
not able
already-
to explain very well. Is this your leadership? Arey, this should easily make me understand. Like she did.
She did, sir.
Why she could not? This is your fault.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Again, I will make them understand.
Guys, I'm gonna give another word, guys. As far as I noticed, the leadership quality of A.V. Prasad was quite okay, because for the first time I saw Diksha, she was speaking very well and she did not make any grammar mistake. I came in this group and I saw that everybody was trying well, but they were a little bit complicated. They could not ease their language. That is the problem. I mean, by your persuasive skill If somebody can speak better than you, is the best skill. So he's your language. This is called logotherapy communication. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, sir.
The next word that I am going to give you is Aravali. Aravali. How many people know Aravali? Aravali. 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 We have 3 teams now. 1, 2, 3. जहां जाना चाहते हैं जा सकते हैं, जिसके साथ जाना चाहते हैं लोग जा सकते हैं. Make people aware that you already know. Make what is all about Aravali. Go! Go! So now the next word is actually Aravali, everybody. 3 people already know about Aravali. Do you know that? Excuse me, if you know, you can tell into the comment box. Do you know about Aravali? Excuse me. It's a burning issue nowadays in India. So here 3 people knew and they are going to make people know. Can you make me know? Do let me know. Let's see, chalo.
Obstacle of that, opposing that storm. And the because of Aravali, the storm is not from Delhi side. Yeah. Other side. He helps.
It helps.
That was the case of Aravali. And in the Aravali case, it was happened there. But before that, it was so many arguments, so many movements there. We should protect Aravali because
Who was the captain of this team? Acha, 2 people. Who was the captain of this team? I expect and hope that you must have managed your team to make people aware. Let me check your leadership quality. You understood everything?
Yes, sir.
You understood everything?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the distance of Aravali?
700 kilometers. Is the distance of Aravali.
How did you know that? Really?
Yes.
Approximately. I myself don't know the distance. You can tell that. Hey, where is it?
Where it is? It is located in 4 states. Delhi, Haryana.
4 states or 4 states?
4 states. Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat.
What is the actual advantage of Aravali?
Sir, Aravali is a mountain. They are saving.
It
It is saving Delhi. If you know about any desert always expand. So if wind comes, they will come with sands. If the Aravali is not there, so Delhi became desert already.
And Rajasthan also become desert.
And Aravali is stopping them to expand. And it affected.
It will?
No, sir. It already affected Rajasthan.
Oh, okay.
Because it captured some areas.
Okay.
So they are capturing mainly land which is useful for us. We are farming there.
Oh, fertile land.
And if we are attack on Aravali, it means we are destroying our ecosystem because Aravali is discharging water also.
Oh.
So water level will go more depth if we will cut Aravali.
Oh, okay. Very nice, very nice. Tell me one benefit of cutting Aravali. I would say, building the buildings or cutting the Aravali. What would be the benefit? Do you think it has benefit or not?
No, sir. I think it has no benefit. If we are cutting the Aravali range, there is no benefit because the Aravali stops storm, heavy rainfalls, and so many harmful, natural effects.
Good. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What are we discussing right now?
Discussing, sir, Araval.
Araval? Who was the leader of your team? You are the leader? Zoom him, please. Zoom him. Zoom him, please. You
Yes,
are the
sir.
leader. You said Araval.
No, sir, Aravali.
What is the name?
Arauli, sir.
Ah.
Arauli.
Amarpali.
No, sir, Arauli.
Ah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, do you want to go there?
No, sir,
How many trees are there?
Sir, a lot of trees.
Uncountable.
Yes, uncountable.
Where are you from?
I am from Himachal Pradesh.
Oh, really? You look so cute.
Thank you, sir.
You look handsome or beautiful?
Handsome, sir.
Very nice. What are we discussing?
We are discussing about Aravali. Aravali is a mountain, and it is very big mountain. And this is old.
It is big or it is large or it is
It is old.
It is old. It is not old. It is the largest mountain or it is the tallest mountain or it is the biggest mountain.
Okay. It is the biggest mountain.
No. Is it largest or what? I'll ask everyone. What do you know about Aravali?
Arauli is big mountain,
Oh, very nice. Good.
and Arauli is the good environment.
Arauli is good for good environment. Say again.
Arauli is good for good environment.
And something more.
Arauli distance 700
Approximately 700 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
You guys searched it or somebody told you? See, I am also unaware about it. Please make me aware. What is the distance of Aravali?
Sir, 4 state: Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, or Gujarat.
Okay. Beautiful. Good. Excuse me.
So this team is well prepared.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bihar.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bihar.
I'm asking you where are you from? You're not
I'm
telling
from
me.
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Yeah.
কি খবর?
ভালো খবর।
Really?
I'm really.
Why, my God. তুমি সি বলি সে ভালো খবরই
আমি বলছি ভালো খবর আছে।
রাইট
হ্যাঁ।
বড় পয়েন্ট বলো ভালো পয়েন্টস বলো
अरावली के बारे में।
Aravali, yeah, of course. Are you okay?
Right now I'm okay. And আমি বাংলাতে বলছি।
No, don't. not Bangla. Bangla no.
English.
Aravali. What is Aravali?
Aravali is a mountain of forest.
Is he right?
Yes.
Are you right?
Yes, I'm right. I'm sure 100%, sir. But it is useful for us because we are living.
One point, please.
Aravali is the one of the largest forest.
What is the point,
India.
please?
My point. Let me try, sir.
जल्दी सोचो. Thought building.
We are living in this world because of, or we are taking oxygen.
What's your point?
Yes, sir. It protect our life
It protect or
from
protects?
protects our life from.
We are taking oxygen because of Aravali mountain trees. Due to yes, and if there is not trees, we cannot live clearly. So it is benefit of living planting and trees.
Aravali is saving our environment and diversity.
Yes, sir. Of course, it reduces our pollution.
It is a very big mountain, big and largest.
Who is your leader?
Leader Himanshu.
Himanshu, people are unable to know only big is going
Sir,
on.
he knows very well about that. If you will give some time, sir.
I have given time to make him know.
Yes, sir.
We all get natural oxygen from
Yes, sir. Aravali is a 4 states.
Aravali is a spread 4 state.
Yes, 4 states like Gujarat.
What, sir?
No. Aravali. Advantage.
Advantage. A lots of advantage in this Aravali hills. We are present a lot of mineral.
Sir, it is not only large, it is also oldest. It's before
Aravali
Himalayas.
is good. It is, according to me, it should be destroyed. There are some benefits. It is destroyed by some.
Sir, Arauli is very good for environment, and it is the largest mountain.
Good guys.
How it happens, Aravali? before 2000 year before, 2 plates.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I thought he was there.
Yes, sir. 2000 year, 2 plates. The earth of 2 plates are collision, and they will become then that
They
time,
will become, they became.
They became mountain, Aravalli mountain.
Yes, sir. This is the best history.
Who told you that?
Yeah, yes, sir. I just
Is it
watched
hypothetical?
Dhruv Rathi videos.
Not now, before.
Before yesterday.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, 3 people were aware and they made people aware.
Yes, sir.
How good it is. This is the quality of a leader. What he does, he should make people do. Right?
Yes, sir.
Will you make people do?
Make people do.
Serve a nation by
Serve a
making
nation
people.
by
Don't repeat. I'm telling that you are Indian. Whatever the quality you have, you should let people have.
Yes, sir.
The more you will give, the more you will become.
Yes.
All right? The more you will give, the more you will have. And you should always think the more you are giving, the less it is.
No, sir.
Exactly. You should think. The more I'm giving, the less I should think.
It depends only for money. If you give money much,
No, it's not like that, money. For the information, for the service of India, for the service of nation, the more we are giving, the less we should think. I have given 10 rupees, I should think, I have given 1 rupee.
sir, I am telling about the knowledge. If you give knowledge so much to someone,
Huh?
your knowledge is increasing.
Your knowledge, no, the more you will give, the less you should think. You should think that you have given this much knowledge, you should think that I have given this much. Right? And of course, the more you will give, the more you will increase. I have already told, my first line was that only. Now the next thing, if you are aware, make people aware.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why are you crying?
No, sir.
You're hungry? How many people are aware of Article 21?
Okay.
Article 21. Article 21. Article 21. Okay. Nip, if you are clear, raise like this. If you are not clear, little bit, you are there. Okay, 1, 2 people are aware, right? Go with your team. Hi everybody. So we have one word actually. Come here, guys. Come here. Come here. Come here. So now the next thing that we are talking about, it is all about Article 21, which is absolutely and certainly an article of Constitution. Article 21. Do you know that? Do tell me. Do let me know into the comment box if you know that. Let's see. People know or not? I think the people have trained. Let's go.
Brother.
It's not good. If he knows, he can make people know. Knowing something.
Just I am recalling my knowledge.
All right. That's fine. You can. Everybody is discussing and coming to know what actually Article 21 is. So, a thought is built by sharing the thought. People can visualize the things when people discuss the things. So by better visualization, by better conversation, by better interaction, you can come to know the things, and after coming to know the things, you can make it memorable, and things become memorable when you exchange the thoughts. So I would suggest you, if you really want to build up your thoughts, you should exchange your thoughts. You should give people. People should give you, make a friend, just try to share the thought, tell him, and after telling him, ask him what you told him. Like this, you will be able to remember it forever. Let me tell you a very important thing. When I just come to know any new thing, I just come in the class and I share with my trainees and I enhance my knowledge. And when I share anything, it becomes memorable for me. So you should also share with anybody to make any point memorable, because communication is a communication when you have a psyche and a great thought, guys. Knowledge, information makes you communicate very well. To become a good communicator, you have to be informative. Hey guys, come here. Guys, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. I'm very happy. You know why?
Why, sir?
Because you are happy. Are you happy? Yes, sir. If you're not happy, I will be not happy. I'll not be happy.
We are happy.
Really? No, guys, I'm really happy with one thing. You should ask me why.
Why?
Because you are becoming aware, kasam. Really?
Yes, sir.
Do you think this activity is going good?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It
of
is
course, yes.
good, sir.
Because
Very
we are becoming-
helpful for everyone, every student.
We are becoming aware, guys. अब बताइए कहीं मुद्दा आएगा, कहीं पुलिस स्टेशन में कोई पकड़ लेगा, बोल देना एक्सक्यूज मी, आई हैव आर्टिकल 21। अब पता चला जो है ये किसी लड़की को लेकर भाग गए, चलो हाँ नहीं सुनो तो, आप कोई पुलिस पकड़ा, कार्य कहाँ लेके भाग रहे हो, इनको पीटेगा, ये हाथ जोड़ के खड़ेंगे, हमें माफ कर दो।
No, I have.
आप तो जब पता रहेगा तभी तो मारेंगे। You can elope if she has consent. If she agrees to elope with you, who the hell can stop?
Yes, sir. Nobody can stop.
All right.
Love the heart.
We know about Article 19 also.
We should know. Right now we are discussing Article 21, right? So I'm happy because we are, not I only and you only, we are getting aware and we are becoming aware. Now let me see how better you made people aware. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
100%?
Yes, sir.
Article 21, let me ask to you. Hey, tell me honestly, who didn't know? Who didn't know? Earlier, who didn't know? Who didn't know? 100%? Swear by God. Right now you came to know? 100%?
100%, sir. Yes, I can very well. Yes, sir.
Can you tell?
Yes, I can.
Can you tell?
I can, sir.
You're not confident.
No, I have confidence. I am confident person right now because.
Show your confidence. Show your confidence. Show your confidence.
Article 21, it is permitted to live a right life. Yes.
Hey guys, he is saying live right life.
Right to live. Yes, sir.
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
I didn't say anything.
But we can say take up example. I can take up example. I am here to learning English. It is depend on us whatever we do.
It is depend on.
It depends on us.
It
depends.
Guys, I am going. Guys, I am going. Huh?
No, it depends.
I'm going, guys. I'm going, guys. What?
It depends on us. Thank you, sir. Thank you for telling me something right now because I didn't know. But
You are not telling me the right thing.
Right thing.
Or you are not telling good.
Good.
You are telling incorrect thing.
No,
You are
correct.
telling the article of Nepal.
No, sir. It is article of 21.
So where is this article? Where? In which book?
Suppose that I am.
No,
studying-
tell me book. Where, guys? Where? What is this article? In which book? What is
I
this?
learned from this children. Student. No, sir.
Hey, who was the leader? Who was the leader?
Oh my goodness.
You are telling right now? You are telling right now?
Because of this leader.
1 second. You come here. अरे ये देखो इनको. He doesn't know where is this article.
Was I have learned constitution.
This is constitutional.
Constitutional.
This is
we are also-
constitutional
we are-
article.
We are aware.
पहले पूरा बोलिए. This is constitutional
This
article.
is a constitutional article.
हाँ, very मजा आ गई. तो सबको मोटिवेट करिए guys.
Hey guys.
हाँ, remember.
Remember one thing that we all have been fundamental right.
We all have been constitutional.
We all have fundamental rights to living a good position. To live a good situation, good environment. Yes, sir. Environment. And it is permitted to do something better out of the box, and we can achieve our goal.
It is the motivation.
Yes.
Arey, what is Article 21?
I am
Out of the box.
We can do something, sir. Wow, sir. I can do something out of the box, so it will better.
You are
for us.
wrong.
How can it possible that it is wrong?
It's a problem.
I am trying to make him articulate my thought easily, but people don't understand.
It's a problem.
But it can be problem after becoming problem. We can solve all the problems by articulate my thought.
The problem is that you're not telling about the exact problem. That's the problem.
If I'm not telling right now, but we will tell after knowing the things.
You have known.
But
You
right now-
already have known.
Yes, I have known by.
So why are you not making people know?
They know, but they can't deliver proper.
Properly right now.
See. Before summertime, hello. Before leader, now you can't tell. Before summertime, I told that you have to maintain your leadership quality and ability. If a leader could not articulate his thought to make other people articulate their thoughts, it is an ability of that leader. Excuse me. I also know how to go to Australia. Can I go there?
He is not able to express.
Everybody knows how to go. You know how to go. We know how to go Australia, other country, but we can't go right now because we have to make money to go there, right? Likewise, you know Article 21, but you need to tell how to. Why are you not telling them? I'm coming to this thing. No. I chose this person, he couldn't articulate very well. Now I'm coming to this Hima under the this is of course.
He wants to tell again. Let me explain again. One more. Let me.
One more किस होता है? He is saying one more. One more. This is completely.
One more chance.
What is the chance? Tell me.
Article again. Article 21.
थोड़ा खुश है कि बोलिए जिस टेंशन में बोल.
Article 21.
और स्माइल करके.
Article 21.
Hey guys. Hey. Smile.
Ladies and gentlemen, Article 21, it means we can live without stopping with anyone, with someone. We can say I am living.
I don't want to leave now. My Article 21 is no more, guys.
It is Article of 21, sir. No
You said without stopping anyone.
No can stop.
Leave.
If you want to die, you can die.
No can stop you. We can
No, he is saying stop people.
Nobody can stop me to do something.
Oh, guys, clap now.
Wow.
You have articulated. So here, Noor wanted to say that. Article 21 is all about without stopping anyone. Do anything, whatever you want to do. Nobody can stop you to do anything. That is called Article 21.
Yes.
Nobody can stop you to do it. I'm worse.
It should be right thing.
I can slap you.
You can slap me.
Yeah. It is right. It is right.
Nobody can.
He said, sir.
So, come, talk to him.
So, what do you want to do? What do you want to do?
You can say that you can do everything, whatever you want.
Yes.
It means I can slap you.
It is. Noor bhai, galat ho gaya.
1 minute. You can slap me. You can slap me. I can also slap you. I can also slap you. Yes.
Can you slap me?
I can
You are also
it is
told.
win-win situation.
Yes. Told. It is right. You can do
slap
everything.
me. I can also slap you. But you will not respect
But
me.
why did you say that?
Yeah.
One second. Why did you say that you can do anything?
Yeah.
It depends on us, our thought, whatever.
So that is why he's asking, can I slap you?
It is humanity, sir. It is humanity.
Do right thing.
It is not.
Yes, sir. He wants to
I'm saying no.
He wants to
It
say.
should be the right thing.
What is happening?
He said you can do it.
Yeah,
He wants
It
to
is.
Ask him, remember he is stopping.
For
Not
doing
chance should be given back.
I'm coming, but clarity also matters.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He can say anything anyway.
Sir,
Awareness is important.
Yeah.
You tell slap. Come on.
I can't.
He was saying you can slap anybody.
It doesn't mean we are
Sleeping.
Slap everyone. Yeah.
It doesn't mean we are slapping other person. It means we are doing something here to be correct, and where intention should be correct. But it is not articulate to 21. We are doing something wrong.
I want to drink water.
Yes.
Wait.
What is this?
मेरा emotion है. पानी.
Yeah, of course we can take.
This is
Of
water.
course.
Please.
Please bring
Yes,
water.
emotion here.
Are नहीं?
It is right.
I'm
right.
coming. Guys, take my Amara. Guys, bottle of water.
Yes.
What are you
Please,
going to do,
please.
sir? What are you going to do?
Yeah.
Guys, I am going to drink this water from my nose.
No, sir. No. Yeah. You can't do anything. No, it is. One minute. Sir.
How can it be possible?
It is Article 21. No can disturb you. No can disturb you. It is Article 21. No can disturb you.
Okay, don't disturb me, guys.
Yes, it is Article 21.
But listen. But listen.
It's up to you.
Sir is doing wrong thing. If you are stand there.
Article 21 are here.
Listen, brother. We have our humility to stop him. He is getting died.
No. It's up to you, sir. It's up to you. What are you doing? No.
Humility to stop him.
You are getting knowledge. I'm disturbing you. I can disturb you. It is humanity. It is humanity.
You drink water.
What? Sir, no. Sir, no can disturb me. It is Article 21. Yeah.
By the way, to say this line that you can do anything whatever you want. It makes me think anything whatever you say.
So it is depend on us, na, sir. What are we?
Okay.
What we are?
I'm going to.
Yes.
I'm coming to this team, guys. I'm going to. By the way, थोड़ा सा उलझाया जरा ताकि आप लोग सोचने पर मजबूर हो. Yes, sir. Exactly. I'm sorry for delay. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Why are you standing here?
Because of I am improving my English.
No, you are here because you are having Article 20. अरे जैसे लग रहा है अदर कंट्री आ खड़े हैं. Okay, you know very well about Article 21.
Yes, sir.
You tell.
Yes.
Sir, Article 21 says right to life. Right to life. Protection of life. Protection. It gives
Protection?
liberty of protection of life.
Who told this? Who told this? Your leader told?
Yes.
Very nice. And what do you know, sir?
And
It gives personal liberty.
Article 21 saying says
Personal liberty means I can wear anything.
Beer or wear?
Wear.
Of course.
Anybody cannot snatch your life, and it is used.
Snatch your life?
Yes, sir. Anybody can murder you. Anybody can murder you.
Okay. I want to marry with my buffalo. Can I marry? Wait, guys. I want to marry with my buffalo. Can I marry? Buffalo?
No.
Why?
Because
How can you say?
No.
One second. Buffalo is my wife.
No.
Yes.
You are going to marry, sir.
Arey, my girlfriend name is Buffalo.
Okay. Then you want to marry. Then you can marry, sir.
I love my girlfriend and she is very fat. I call her Buffalo.
You can marry.
Can I marry with monkey?
Whose name monkey?
Real monkey?
No.
I can't marry.
No. It is not the framework of Article 21. Now I am going to tell about Article 21. So, Article 21 is right to life and personal liberty. What is right to life? Right to life is what you want to wear, where do you want to live, you can live. In which religion you want to keep faith, you can keep your faith. And personal liberty means like I am going to give an example, like whose daughter is played away with someone's.
Excuse me.
When someone
Played away?
Run away.
Run away. Okay, wait.
With some words, our society is said their izzat went in
Gutter.
Of
course.
So
No, it's soil, mitti.
So the constitution says no, you can't judge by this their dignity. Everybody had same dignity. Yes, sir. The people in which religion, which caste, everybody had same dignity.
Adi, he is promoting guys court marriage.
Not court marriage.
You are giving freedom.
Love marriage.
Many people will start running away with their girlfriends. So
you can do. If you are 18, if you are adult, you can do. If you are fulfill the
if
rule,
you can.
If you are above 18, The girl should be above 18 and the boy should be above 21. If you can marry, it doesn't matter in which religions from belongs to boy and girl.
Of course.
It is your right.
Of course. Okay.
And fundamental right. It is also a fundamental right. Like
मौलिक अधिकार, of course.
right to equal, right to freedom, right to faith in any religion. Right to health also. Like 6 to 14 you have a basic education right, free of cost, and health right.
All right.
That's it, sir. Thank you so much.
हाथ मिला लीजिए कोई दिक्कत. All right. Has someone snatched your Article 21?
No, sir. No.
He is looking like, you are looking like just, I have one song for you. कोई तकिए से पूछे हाल, हम उसे कितना भिगोते हैं. You are looking like that.
No, sir. Nothing
He
happened.
doesn't know Article 21.
I know very well Article 21.
Then tell please.
Article 21 is mentioned in our Indian Constitution and it applies on citizen and non-citizen both. And
Who made Indian Constitution?
Sir, B.R. Ambedkar.
Only B.R. Ambedkar?
Yes, sir. Actually, he's the leader of the constitution. So the major role of the.
Excuse me. Who is B.R. Ambedkar?
he is yes.
You are telling. Who is Cap sir?
Cap sir is a winner of Will Talk.
Yes, sir. What?
Who is
Cap sir is a well talk.
Cap sir is a
Who is B.R. Ambedkar?
Constitution, as the father of Indian Constitution.
Of course. Hey guys, I really love to see the awareness of yours. Now, listen to me guys, very important thing. Yes sir. Very important thing. और जो मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ कसम से मुझे लग रहा है कि what I believe, it's very important guys. Why? Because anywhere, anytime, on any stage, you may have to speak that. You are, if you know, make people know. If you don't know, if anybody doesn't know, then you all have to know. Because it is spontaneous thought building. And within a minute you have to know. Yes, sir. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
The preamble of Constitution. What? We the people of India.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember? We the people of India. Bolo, we the people of India. We the people of India. It is on the first page of Constitution. Preamble. Do you know?
Yes, sir. I know.
Do you know all the lines?
Yes, sir.
Fraternity, secularism, everything you know?
Yes.
Okay, one person knows. Any other person?
In Hindi, every person.
No, in English you have to know. You can translate. You are a good speaker of English language. You are joining. You are training of Will Talk. You can translate everything, right? Okay, how many people know? Only one person knows, right? I am giving you 1 to 2 minutes. You can just discuss with your leader. Otherwise, you can search as well. Go and know that. Go and know that. Do you know about preamble of this country? Come on, the Constitution, preamble. You can tell in the comment box. This is very good for the awareness, right? If you know, you can tell in the comment box. So many viewers will be watching this video. They can come to know after you tell in the comment box, of course, right? So you can text into the comment box. People are going to be aware because it's very important to know about the preamble, to know about the fundamental rights, to know about FD, fundamental duty. Let me tell you, FRFD, fundamental rights and fundamental duties. It is very important to know, guys. And we also need to know about the preamble of this Constitution, guys, because we are Indians and we must be aware. Sometimes we may have to talk on the stage with the people in group discussion, guys. Let's see.
Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, nothing. We the people of India. Who is citizen of India? Who is the citizenship of India? That means we the people of India. Okay? And the Constitution of India, preamble. we the people of India having solemnly sovereign, socialist and democratic republic nation. Sorry.
My goodness. Hey, you know or not? You can tell in Hindi language.
Yes.
Do you know the meaning or not?
I know, yes.
Okay, so please tell in Hindi.
हम भारत के लोग भारत को संपूर्ण प्रबल संबंध समाजवादी पंथ निरपेक्ष लोकतंत्रात्मक राज्य बनाने के लिए तथा उनके समस्त नागरिक में सामाजिक आर्थिक और राजनीतिक निकाय विचार अभिव्यक्ति धर्म उपासना स्वतंत्रता की समता प्रतिष्ठा और अवसर की समता प्राप्त कराने के लिए तथा उन सब में व्यक्ति की गरिमा राष्ट्र की एकता और अखंडता सुनिश्चित करने वाली बंधुता बढ़ाने के लिए दृढ़ संकल्प होकर आज संविधान सभा में 29 नवंबर 1949 ईस्वी को संविधान को एतद द्वारा अंगीकृत अधिनियमित और आत्मार्पित करते हैं.
That's beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, I mean, what are the things that we have?
इस सभी नागरिकों को इन हिंदी या इन इंग्लिश?
In English, socialist, democratic, fraternity, secularism, and what all?
सामाजिक आर्थिक विश्वास धर्म लोकतांत्रिक एंड विचार व्यक्ति विश्वास धर्म और उपासना की स्वतंत्रता बढ़ाने के लिए दृढ़ संकल्प होकर आज तक संविधान की गरिमा और व्यक्ति की
You remember?
Yes, sir.
In English?
Yes, sir. With the people of India, we have a liberty of equality, fraternity, and social. नहीं सर, salvation.
Socialist.
And faith.
नहीं याद है. You remember?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
We the people of India, having solemnly resolved the Constitution of India.
To constitute
the.
You don't remember. You remember?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
We the people of India having solemnly resolved to Constitution India
To constitute, you don't remember. You remember?
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute into a sovereign, socialist and democratic and
You don't remember. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved the constitute India into foreign.
You are making it funny. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
We the people of India and having solemnly and
You don't remember very well. No. You remember?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Justice, sir. Justice. Justice, liberty, justice, liberty, and everybody has same equal to do something.
I am asking preamble of Constitution.
So, sorry, sir.
You should remember that. Hey, do you remember?
Sorry, sir.
You don't remember. Do you remember?
Yes, sir, I remember.
Tell.
The Constitution of India, we the people of India. Justice, social and political,
What?
economic.
What?
Political, economic, liberty of thought.
From starting, you have to tell. We the people of India having.
We the people of India, the Constitution of India.
Yeah, little bit I can explain that. So we, as you know that the preamble is the written on the first page of the Constitution, and Constitution is written by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In this preamble, we are the people of India, not the foreigner. And the first word is sovereign. Sovereign means India is independent. No, India is independent. No other country tell us what to do. And the second is socialist. The socialist is the government work to reduce gap between poor and rich. And the third one is secular. India does not have any official religion, and we have to right to choose any religion. And the third is democratic. The democratic is the leader is elected by the election, not any the monarchy and hierarchy. And the last one is Yeah, it's all about.
You can think whatever you want to think about anything.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So you people, I was recording. People are still remembering. They don't remember. They don't know. So they will be preparing well with meaning and definition. Not kind of definition, but with its meaning. I mean the preamble. They will learn preamble and they will explain with its meaning. They will explain everything. So first they need to learn because they didn't know. Do you know? If you know, do let me know in comment box. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.